So I might be just tripping, but I feel like this is the same BMW that is on a YouTube video that I've watched a bunch of times. It might be. Might be. It's like a drag R18. Like I said, BMW wanted to make something cool like Harley, so they made the unbalanced. Those are cylinder heads. They oppose each other.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and so look at this right here. It's got a exposed drive shaft. So while the motor is spinning, that drive shaft is actually spinning too. So you can see it spinning live.
That's cool.
Yeah, so it's shaft driven. Very neat bike. Very neat. It's got clip-on bars to it. That's crazy. These are really nice. I mean, they're essentially the same thing.
Do you want to pull up your phone and get a QR code going?
Let's do this. What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. I'm bringing you a BMW R18 first ride. This thing is crazy. It's got a 1800cc boxer twin in it. This thing rumbles like crazy. It's shaft driven. This one's got Vance and Hine pipes, but as you can tell, the freaking motor sticks out of either side. Yeah, it's very low seating. Very low. Kickstand is kind of snappy. Alright, gotta adjust my side mirrors. Click this power button once. It's keyless ignition. Does a little gauge sweep. And pulling the clutch. That's wild. That's wild. The whole bike shuddered when I started it. There we go, there's neutral. Okay. Clutch is like extremely light, almost as light as my Speed Twin. Kind of dances a little bit. Every time you rev it, the bike wants to twist. Wild. Can we go? Yep. Alrighty. It's kind of weird. A big cruiser like this, having mid controls, is definitely odd. One thing that throws me off is the actual controls are underneath the cylinder head, so I can't actually see the shift lever underneath this left side here. The brake feel is so odd. The clutch lever the instructor over here with the all black. That thing's nice. That's nice. I like the all black. The way that it twists. So they got it stuck in rain mode right now. Wow, okay. This is so very strange. Got the Vance and Hines pipes on. I actually don't know what RPM I'm going currently. Very rumbly, buzzy feel to it. Low center of gravity. I kind of feel like I'm tucked up on this bike a little bit. but the bars, they're not very high. They do sweep back comfortably. I do like that. Feels very controllable. Ooh, it just buzzes, like, just kind of buzzes to life at low RPMs. Interesting. Wish I knew what RPM I was at. I'm gonna have to fiddle with the controls a little bit. At this point in the video, my camera continued recording audio, but for some reason was stuck on the video portion. I don't know if it was because it was raining that day and water affected it, or maybe it was just another one of the many problems my GoPro Hero Black had. Nobody knows, but either way, the rest of my first ride video had to go in the trash bin. I originally didn't want to release this to YouTube, but I decided I had some decent footage and I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. I got a good look at that bike, and I wish I could do more of a review for you, but I want to save that for another time. I want to get a second chance at riding the BMW R18, and I'll come out with a full-length video review on it. So that's where this video ends. Thanks for watching my little tidbit. See you next time. Peace.